Hello aspirants, welcome to Map It with Law Excellence series. This is Pratyusha. In today's session, we're going to discuss about different locations that have been there in the last 10 days of the July. We'll be having different locations like Republic of Congo, Bitra Island, Kamchatka Peninsula, Great Rahua River, Lesotho, Mount Lovolaki, Cambodia. Now we see why the different locations have been in news. Firstly, when we see Republic of Congo, now this Republic of Congo is being in news because it has large amount of rebels are being in conflict. Usually UPSC has been in interest about regions in conflict. And this region has been in conflict, large amount of rebellion has been going on, large amount of conflict area has been present. So we'll see where is this Republic of Congo that has been there. Now, if you see the location of the Republic of Congo, now this is a region where we have the Republic of Congo present. And this Republic of Congo, then here we have, whenever it's been surrounding, it is being surrounding by Democratic Republic of Congo. Now, please be sure that Republic of Congo is different and Democratic Republic of Congo is being different. Then we have Cameroon that has been there, we have Gabon, we have Central African Republic, and also a part of the Angola that has been present. These are the different locations that have been bordering the Republic of Congo. And this Republic of Congo is also having coastal plains. We also have the Nairi Valley, the Mayombe Massif Central Plateau region, and also this area is largely having the Congo River Basin forest that has been present. Now when we come towards the next location, the next location we have is the Bitra Islands of Lakshadweep. We all know Lakshadweep is one of our main islands that has been present in the Arabian Sea. It consists of 36 islands, where one of the island is in the news, that is the Bitra Island. Now this is the smallest inhabited island which has been located here, and this island also is being in news because the defense has been located this island as one of the major for naval defense system. Now it has been in conflict with the inhabited people that have been there. Now once it becomes a defense area, now the people have been having certain concerns regarding this location. So please make sure to know about the Bitra Island. It is one of the island of the Lakshadweeps. Next one we have is the Kamchatka Peninsula. Now we all know recently there is around 8.8 magnitude of earthquake has hit the Kamchatka Peninsula, which is a part of Russia, and this peninsula in turn has been created large amount of volcanic eruption, and this volcanic eruption and this earthquake has in turn come up with the tsunamis. So we'll see where this Kamchatka Peninsula is being present. Now this Kamchatka Peninsula, if you see the area where it has been there, now it is a part of the peninsular region of the Russia that has been there, near to the Bering Strait region, and it is very near to the Sea of Okhotsk that's been present. And you know what is the ocean current that is actually flowing in this area? Please do comment in the comment sections. Now this is a region where we find large amount of earthquake that have been there, and it also has been, we have a volcano which is around 600 years old, we didn't find any eruption. Now this earthquake in this Kamchatka Peninsula has created large amount of volcanic eruptions in the region. Now when we see Kuril Islands. So these Kuril Islands are present very near to the Kamchatka Peninsula. Now here you can see these are the ones which have been there, the Kuril Islands that have been there. Now these are nothing but volcanic archipelagos. Now we all know what is an archipelago. Archipelago is a group of islands that have been there. Now these are the islands which have been present between two water bodies. One is the Pacific Ocean, the other one is the Sea of Okhotsk that's been present. Now you can see the Kuril Island is a volcanic stretching Hokkaido chain of 56 islands that have been there from Japan to the Kamchatka Peninsula, and it is separating the Okhotsk Sea with the North Pacific region. Now next we have is the Great Rahua River. Now why it is in news? Now this river has been stated that due to large amount of climatic changes, now this river has been drying up. Now where is this river present? Now this river is being present in the Tanzania region, and this river is having, or it is a river which goes and joins the Rufiji River at been present. Now this river has been decreasing in nature. Water content in this river has been decreasing, almost making it as a dry river. Now this is where we have basin area of 83,000 square kilometers has been there, and it is a seasonal discharge river. And large amount of the hydropower is actually coming from this river. The hydropower projects that are being present in this river is basically giving the electricity to the Tanzania region. Now if you see the Tanzania region, here you can see the Great Ruaha River Basin, and this is where we find the Rufiji River that has been there. Now this Ruaha River is joining the Rufiji River. The next area we have in news is the Lesotho. Now Lesotho is an inland region present in South Africa area. Now recently there was an government interactions between Lesotho government and Indian government that take place. So this is a location in news. Now where is this Lesotho government that has been there, or where it has been located? Now as you can see, this Lesotho is a region where it has been present within the South Africa. So it is not actually surrounded by many different countries, but within the South Africa country. Now this is where we have the Lesotho that's been there. And we have Maseru. Maseru is the capital of Lesotho. Now here we can see this area is having mostly containing 2/3 area is about mountains, and one major mountains that we find here is the Drakensberg Mountains. So this is one major mountains which is found in South Africa region and also the Lesotho region. Then next we have in news, we have Mount Lovalaki. Now this Mount Lovalaki has been observed to erupt. Now why this eruption has been taken place? Again, we are linking it to the Kamchatka Peninsula earthquake. Now this earthquake has triggered the volcanic eruption in Indonesia. Now this Mount Lovalaki belongs to the Indonesia, and it's been part of Pacific Ring of Fire. So we already know that Pacific Ring of Fire is the region where we have active earthquakes and active volcanoes have been occurring. Now this region, due to the Mount Lovalaki that has been erupted, around 18 kilometers of height of dust and ash cloud has been occurred, almost reaching the stratosphere. So please do comment this type of eruption, which it will be coming, or which type of volcanic eruption is the Mount Lovalaki has been erupted. Then next one, last we have is the Cambodia. Now why this Cambodia has been in news? Now recently there is an sovereignty war between the Cambodia and Thailand regarding a Shiva temple that has been present. Now here if you see, where is this Cambodia present? What are the neighboring regions that have been there? Now Cambodia has been having Thailand in the northern region, Laos in the northeastern region, then the Vietnam that has been present, and we have Gulf of Thailand in the southwestern region. Now, due to this war, the locations are important, and in this Cambodia also, we have different physical features are being important. For example, we have Tonle Sap Lake has been present, Mekong River, one of the important delta formation, and the region is vegetation has been present here. Then we have Dranking Mountains have been there, and also the Cardamom Mountains. Now these are the different locations that are being present in news. Please do revise, please do know what are the border nations, why it is in news, what is the conflict that has been present, and what are the physical features that are being present in this location. And we will again meet with an interesting Map It With series. Thank you.